Automate integration between Autodesk Inventor or Autodesk Vault and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations using AV2ERP add-in. In this example, you can see the selected item doesn't exist in ERP as per Vault preview. The same can be confirmed in ERP. This assembly along with its children will be automatically transferred as soon as they are approved. After the file has been approved, the transfer process is started and a status dialog is shown. In the dialog, the process status of transfer can be seen. It is possible to push the transfer process to the background if required. After approval is over, ERP details can be previewed in preview windows. Now if we check Dynamics 365 Finance, transferred items will be seen. BOM version is also seen. Created BOM version would have been approved and activated. We can preview the bill of materials inside the Vault Explorer. Now let us modify the bill of materials by changing the quantity of a child component in Dynamics 365 Finance. We can see the modified BOM immediately inside the Vault preview. In the Vault BOM preview, it is possible to see BOMs from previous dates. Since this BOM is created now, if we select the old date, BOM is not seen. Using BOM Compare, it is possible to compare Vault BOM with ERP BOM. In the BOM Differences window, we can see the differences highlighted in red. Child item property differences can also be seen. Results of the BOM comparison can be exported to an Excel file. It is possible to compare with previous versions of bill of materials. It is also possible to create new items inside the Vault using the number series in ERP. By clicking on Generate Number from ERP, a new dialog comes. After selecting a category and clicking on the Generate button, a new item will be created using the ERP number series. Using the Inventor add-in, it is possible to perform integration operations directly from the Inventor without the need of coming back to the Vault window. We can also preview ERP data directly inside Autodesk Inventor or compare the bill of materials. No additional license is required for the Inventor add-in. Using the optional reporting add-on, it is possible to see how many items have or BOMs or entities have been created by users or entities created during a certain period of time inside ERP. Data can be grouped based on the required period or for the required user. Data that is seen here can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Before exporting, data can be sorted or filtered as per requirement. Graphs that are seen here can also be exported for further analysis. Graph types can also be changed based on convenience. Using the log viewer, it is possible to search previous logs for possible exceptions and other required information. Process list can also be seen in the Process List tab, showing the list of ERP data transfer processes.